What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to build a survey funnel from basically using one simple, easy to use software. There's a little bit of a learning curve, but once you understand how it works, it is amazing. So check this out. It includes the automation, landing page, funnel, all that good stuff. We already created the survey. We've got the questions. So you need the questions, you need a pipeline, you need a form, you need all that good stuff. You need to build a landing page. We can help with all that stuff, but also you can do it yourself, and we can just show you which software to use. On the inside, you can see that there's a survey that starts the trigger, triggers the automation. Then it's going to create an update and opportunity. It's going to add a tag. It's going to send internal notification to us so we can know that we're bringing in leads. Once we get A2P verified, we'll add in the automation for the text messaging. A2P means application to person, so you have to get A2P verified. You need an EIN number. You need to have the checkbox that says, you can opt out and all that good stuff on the form, and it's okay to send you messages. We'll do that soon. But then the final part is that we're just going to create a list of leads. So it's going to be in the contact CRM as well, but this is a nice, easy format so you can just easily keep track of who's coming in. So I'll show you how that works here shortly. We've got all the questions lined up in the header, and then we've mapped them inside of the form and then the Google Sheets automation. So I'll show you how that works in depth, but let's just go through the form first. So if we start here, we're just gonna hit start survey now, or we're just gonna work on it right now. We wanna do a new remodel. Let's do a bathroom remodel. No, we've never done a custom home. We wanna work in 3 to 6 months. We want it as soon as possible. You can call us or you can text us. Do we have permission? Yes. And then we're gonna submit our information, and then we just hit submit. Once we hit submit, this automation is gonna send out, we're testing it, it's gonna go to the company, it's gonna go to myself, it's gonna upload into the spreadsheet, and then we've got a thank you page here with just a video, which is always nice to have. So you can also schedule your consultation right away. So if you wanna go ahead and book a call, so not only do you see some social proof, we've got Lars on the news right here. We've got a thank you page. You scroll down, you can also do schedule your design consultation now, and you can get booked into a call with the remodeling team there. But if not, it's okay. We still got your information, and they're gonna call and reach out to you. This will reduce spam, this will get higher quality leads, and we'll be able to kind of just, talk directly to these people, and hopefully they'll move forward with at least a design consultation, and then there's the opportunity to remodel their entire home, bathroom, add a second story, build an ADU. They do all kinds of stuff. They've been around for over 30 years. They've got the experience. They know how much things cost. They know the timelines. So highly recommend working with Lars if you're in the area of San Diego. But otherwise, if you want interested in working with ClickTrack Marketing, we can help you build out these landing page survey funnels. To look in here, you can already see that this immediately came through. So not only is that really cool to see that, but it worked. So it instantly goes to the Google Sheet. We got an email alert here. If we check my email, I've got new lead in the system, new lead added to the spreadsheet, and it's got my name, number, and email. So you can see that real quick. So new lead, you can put whatever you want, new landing page survey lead. And then basically you need to call that person right away. So if they don't want to use the mobile app and the CRM and all this other stuff, just get them the info real quick. A lot of people are, they're just busy, so they don't pay attention, but you have to respond to leads so fast. So this with the automation is going to be awesome. So let's break it down again. We've got a landing page with a survey with a thank you page. But inside of the spreadsheet, we've got all this stuff. So if we go over to, let's see, we've got that as the landing page. Let's see, here it is. All right, so let's break it down real quick. So the survey submitted, right? So it's got the survey that's the landing page survey. We named it so we know what it is. We're going to create an opportunity. So an opportunity in the pipeline is going to be a new lead, and then we're going to add a tag. So each person that comes through this funnel is going to get tagged with new lead and survey funnel. So we know exactly where they came from. And then we're going to send an internal notification to their team. That's the company we're working with. We're going to send an internal notification to our own company. So we get alerts as well. So we know that leads are coming through. Keep the ad spend going, whether we're running Facebook ads, Instagram, Google ads, all the above. We want to know which one's working the best. email to the lead. So we want to respond immediately to that lead. Now, again, we're going to be adding in the A2P verification so we can do the SMS. You definitely want to use SMS in all of your instant responses. So it just gives them acknowledgement, hey, they actually filled out the form and something happened. You can do automated calls. So you can do a call, you can do a voicemail drop, all in one system. So if you're interested in learning more, we can build this out for you, or just recommend the system. It's up to you. Again, there's quite a learning curve, so I would highly recommend working with someone like us or another company that has been experienced in building out this software and utilizing it. You can use it for yourself. You can work with us. So you can see here that we have a new lead. It's got all the information in there. We can assign it. We can do all that stuff. So we can assign back then, and then when we want to build out the pipeline, we actually just we can edit this easily. So we'll do the name of the company, okay, survey, landing page, funnel. So we want to have a separate pipeline, survey form, all for one offer. So we'll do new lead, we'll do contacted lead, or reached out to lead. We'll do connected with lead, and maybe they didn't book a call, but maybe, and then we could say scheduled appointment. And then the next one would be no call, no show. So we could do that, and then we could have an automation that goes out to them. Hey, it looks like you missed the call. No call, no show for appointment. And then we'll build out, let's see here. We can do scheduled design consultation booked. So all of this is customizable, whether you're a remodeling company, asphalt company, contractor, handyman, electrician, plumber. We can build everything out for this. It's awesome. Design consultation booked. You can say proposal or estimate being prepared, estimate prepared, or prepare estimate, better yet. That way the next step maybe is prepare estimate, maybe it's send proposal. Again, you got to talk to the company, go through all their steps, and this is a really important part. Sent proposal, proposal accepted, job sold. You can do whatever it is. Job completed, it'll be a remodel. You can say request for review. We can build out an automation even for reviews. So you want to review requests after every single job. If you're a mobile detailer, as soon as you're done with the job, you change the pipeline stage to request for review. We set up an automation that sends them a text message to go right to the number of right to the stars on your review page on Google. We want to grow Google. You can also do Facebook, and we can split it up between half and half. So there's all types of stuff we can do. So we have now the pipeline built out and updated. So there you go. It sees right there. And again, the spreadsheet, tracking your leads is super important. And then when we compare to, okay, how many leads we brought in to the actual value, that's the most important thing. It's going to be the return on ad spend. So even if we spent, $25,000 in a month on ads, but we brought in enough design appointments and these people are worth over $500,000, let's keep spending, right? So as long as we're getting the right quality traffic, I know clicks are super expensive, so we also have another option for local business owners with a physical location. We can guarantee a top 3 position on Google Maps. So check that out. That's also going to be something that would be really cool. If you're interested, just send me a note, send me an email, go to my website, clicktrackmarketing.com, fill out a form. Whatever it is, you can find me online. You can send me a DM, ClickTrack Marketing on Instagram, and we can help build out this automation and stuff and recommend the proper tools to limit your toolbox with just 1 to 5 tools that you need for everything, as opposed to piecing together. You can even do social media marketing, automation. Obviously, I showed you that. All the conversations from your different channels in one area, but let's not overload. This was all about building a landing page, survey, funnel, with a spreadsheet upload so you can easily track the leads. Give me a like and subscribe if you thought this video was valuable, and we'll talk to you soon.